Knee replacement surgery is a procedure where damaged knee joints are replaced with artificial implants to relieve chronic pain, improve mobility, and restore quality of life. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 knee surgeons in India, their experience, hospitals, specialties, and surgical expertise. Dr. Pradeep B. Bosale. With over 40 years of experience, he is one of India's leading robotic joint replacement surgeons, associated with Nanavati Meg Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: robotic knee replacement, hip replacement, and minimally invasive orthopedic surgery. Successfully performed more than 20,000 joint replacement surgeries. Dr. Subhash Jangid. He has 26 years of experience in joint reconstruction and knee replacement surgery. Works at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon. Specialty: computer navigation assisted knee replacement and robotic joint surgery. He has performed more than 20,000 knee and hip replacement procedures. Dr. S.K.A.S. Maria. Globally recognized orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon with more than 41 years of experience. Practices at Mark Super Specialty Hospital, Delhi. Specialty: primary and revision knee replacement, hip replacement, and trauma management. He has completed over 15,000 joint replacement surgeries. Dr. Ramnik Mahajan. With 27 years of experience, he is a renowned robotic joint replacement expert. He is chairman at Meg Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi. Specialty: robotic knee replacement, revision knee surgery, and arthroscopy. He has performed more than 15,000 joint replacement surgeries. Dr. I.P.S. Oberoi. India's most respected orthopedic and joint replacement specialist with 30 plus years of experience. Associated with Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Specialty: knee replacement, hip replacement, arthroscopy, and sports injury treatment. He has performed 7,000 plus thousands of successful surgeries. Dr. Sachin Bonsle. He has over 35 plus years of experience in orthopedic and joint replacement. Associated with Fortis Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: total knee replacement, hip replacement, and trauma care. He has successfully treated 2,000 orthopedic treatment in India. Dr. Dinshaw Pardiwala. With over 27 years of experience, he is one of India's leading orthopedic and sports medicine surgeons. Associated with Kokalaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Mumbai. Specialty: knee replacement, ligament reconstruction, and sports injury surgery. He successfully treated 10,000 athletes and complex orthopedic conditions. Dr. Narayan Hulse. He has over 22 years of expertise in joint replacement and sports injury treatment. He is associated with Fortis Hospitals, Bangalore. Specialty: knee replacement surgery, arthroscopy, and advanced orthopedic rehabilitation. He has performed 7,000 plus surgeries. Dr. Sunil G. Kini, with 22 years of experience, specializing in knee and hip replacement surgery. Associated with Manipal Hospital, Bangalore. Specialty: modern surgical techniques and precision joint replacement. He has successfully performed 6,000 plus joint replacement procedures. Dr. Hemant Sharma. He has more than 26 years of orthopedic experience. Associated with Marengo Asia Hospital, Gurugram. Specialty: knee replacement, hip replacement, ligament reconstruction, and sports injury management. He has performed 9,000 plus surgeries. If you are planning knee replacement surgery in India, contact Tour 2 India 4. Health today and begin your journey toward pain-free movement and a healthier life.